Good afternoon all. We are going to start the unit algorithmic state machines and programmable logic devices. That is your fourth unit. Already we have finished your fifth unit, that is the digital logic families. Okay. For ENTC student, your fifth unit is of FSM, finite machines. I will share the PPTs. ENTC student 5 and 6 unit is going to be covered in a fourth unit of the computers department. Okay, you are having the separate unit based on the PLDs also. Is it visible? Is it visible? Yes. Actually, this unit and further unit is also a theoretical one. We'll conduct it fastly. I'll try to cover points. Today we'll finish the ASM charts and FSM. See, this is your fourth unit, that is algorithmic state machines and programmable logic devices. So in that you have to study the FSM, ASM, ASM charts, notations, construction of ASM chart, and realization of sequential circuits. Actually, these are like a flow charts that you have already studied maybe in a different computer subjects. And next point is, the unit is divided into these two parts. ENTC students, this is your fifth unit that you have to study the FSM and ASM chart. And this is our next unit, that is a PLD ROM, that is the programmable logic devices. In that you have to study the devices and ROM, RAM, semiconductor memories are there, programmable logic array, programmable array logic, that is a PLA or PAL, and you have to design the combinational circuit using this PLDs. हम लोगों ने जैसे किया था मॉक्स वगैरह डिजाइन, तो यूजिंग यहाँ पे पर्ल प्ला करना है. ओके, बेसिकली वी विल सी व्हाट इज ASM चार्ट. As all of you are familiar with the flow chart, are you familiar with the flow chart? Yes or no? Do you have the data structure subjects in this set? ENTC स्टुडंट ना आहे ते मला माहिती आहे. कम्प्युटर am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what I am asking, आप लोगों को फ्लो चार्ट है क्या? पढ़ा है क्या फ्लो चार्ट? Computer students reply. What is flow chart?
मैम आपकी आवाज
ब्रेक होती है.
यस मैम.
आज यहाँ पे भी बारिश है. ओके, नाउ इट इज क्लियर. अभी आ रही है क्या प्रॉपर? व्हाट इज फ्लो चार्ट? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
सगळ्यांनाच आवाज कट होतोय की काही काहींनाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे? मे बी तुमच्या साइडहून प्रॉब्लेम असेल. ओके, एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट फ्लो चार्ट. डू यू नो फ्लो चार्ट?
Diagrammatic representation.
Yes, like this, there is a ASM chart in a while you are using it for the hardware. Okay, so ASM is a algorithmic state machine. That is a full form. So it is a similar to the conventional flowchart, but interpreted in a different manner. वहाँ पे जैसे convention रहते हैं यहाँ पे भी ऐसे रहते हैं. So actually it is also a graphical view. And it is also called as a flow chart, but it is a basically flow chart for hardware algorithm. आप लोग जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए स्टेप्स लिखते हो तो उसको हम लोग फ्लो चार्ट बोलते हैं. तो जब हार्डवेयर एल्गोरिदम रहता है देन वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ एएसएम चार्ट. ओके, किसी हार्डवेयर के लिए जब एल्गोरिदम लिखेंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथड्स लिखेंगे एंड एट दैट टाइम यू आर मेकिंग अ फ्लो चार्ट देन दैट फ्लो चार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ एएसएम. ओके, so in that ASM, you are considering the timing relationships also. While designing flow chart for a software, you are not considering any timing relationships. But while designing it for a hardware algorithms, you have to consider the timing relationships. Okay. So it is used to design the hardware of a sequential circuits as per your specifications. We'll see directly diagrams and symbols notation. Almost they are similar as you are using for the flowchart, normal flowchart. Okay, so it is easy for you to understood the things. See, this is the these are the notations for the ASM charts. That is the first one is a state box, decision box, and conditional box. Take a screenshot or write down in a book. Okay. So that while considering one example, you should not have any confusion now. So what are the notations? There is a state box, then decision box, and there will be the conditional box. How they look like that we will see, and for what purpose we are using that box, that also we have to see. See, this is nothing but the state box. It is a square or a rectangle.
रेक्टेंगल.
Yes. फ्लोचार्ट नॉर्मल फ्लोचार्ट में भी ऐसा ही रहता है ना. इनिशियल आप लोगों का मुझे लगता है स्टार्ट और एंड रहता है तो राउंड अप. सी, हाँ, स्टेट बॉक्स. सो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द स्टेट बॉक्स symbol? All of you have gone through it. That is, it is a rectangular shape. Okay, it is used for indicating the state of the controller in the control sequence. Okay, we have seen the shape, and inside the box we write information such as the register operations or output value for a given state. एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी सिर्फ आप याद रखो कि इसमें क्या है, इसका शेप कैसा है और व्हाट इट कॉल इट. For each state there is a one entry and one exit point. Okay, and what's here? See, on the right side of the box, binary code of each state is a written यहाँ पे. This is one example that Q1 we are entering here and we are getting some output that is Z is equal to 1, and we are indicating this for a binary code 0 0, and this is the exit point. Okay, see again what you for what purpose you are using the state box to indicate the state of the controller in the control sequence. Inside the box what you have to write? Information such as the register operations or output value for a given state. Okay, एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से वहां पे वो डाटा जाएगा. And for each state that we are seeing, there is one entry and exit point. Okay. Now decision box. I'll show you first shape. What is shape this?
Diamond.
डायमंड.
Yes. So मुझे लगता है फ्लोचार्ट में भी वैसे ही रहता है ना सॉफ्टवेयर के. So decision box is a diamond shaped box. It has two or more exits because it's a, as we are calling, it is a decision box. जैसे decision हम लोग की yes और no में होती है regular life में, तो यहाँ पे 0 और 1 में रहेगी. So it has a two or more exit paths, and decision box may be conditioned on a single or a test of some kind. Okay. See, this we are showing as a decision box. Inside the decision box, there should be condition or expression, and the result of this can be 0 or 1. That is a false or true. Okay, we are indicating like this. अभी कौन-कौन से देखे हम लोगों ने? पहला वाला?
State box.
Yes. Second one?
Decision.
Good. And now third one is or last one is a conditional box. Conditional box we are writing. See, this is also a rectangular.
Oval shape.
Yes, it is a oval shape. See the edges only. Observe it. So it is a oval shape. This box we are calling it as a conditional. You have to use the same notations. Okay. No, you have to use the notation as it is. You are not going to change at all. So it is a oval shaped. मुझे लगता है इसके ऊपर अगर MCQs भी आए तो it is quite easy one. Okay. So input path to the conditional box must come from one of the exit path of the decision box. Okay. Decision box के बाद आएगा. See here. This is a Q1 entry. We are entering 001 and it is going to the decision box. Decision can be 1 or 0 depending upon this condition. It is going to the state Q2 or depending upon this state it is going to be Q3. जैसे हम लोगों ने कि देखा है कि 0 आया तो कि next state जाएगा कि 1